Hello, respected viewers, audiences, students, professionals, educators, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from NSTIC and its subsidiary. I welcome you to the introduction of my course, How to Develop High Quality Course Lecture Materials. The course is specifically designed for students, researchers, educators, professors, lecturers, teachers, and professionals interested in understanding and developing an in-person or online course materials in the field of the respected areas. This is an important course for the audiences who are interested in preparing high quality lecture materials for their courses to offer the same in synchronous, asynchronous, hybrid, or in-person mode of delivery. Wanted to be an established educator and building their career in the academia. The course introduces the fundamental concepts and in-depth analysis on how to prepare an effective and best quality course lecture materials in any field of study. It offers an understanding of logical and structural techniques, skills, types of course delivery, and methodologies, including how to administer the classroom management. In addition, the course covers the benefits of online teaching, common mistakes during preparation of course materials. Concepts, theories, and examples are blended through clear lecture notes, live sessions, learning activities, understanding questions, and lecture note preparation. Two course preparation templates are also included to relate and apply the conceptual topics added in the course to showcase students' understanding. The course is designed for individuals and educators who need to understand the basics of course preparation skills and subject matter too. The course contains a total of 10 lectures and 2 templates, where each lecture comprises with 20 to 35 PowerPoint presentation slides and PDF documents. The course is also designed with 3 quizzes and 1 project. The project is aiming to offer a hands-on experience by creating a course which students can publish in an online education platform such as NSTIC. Before saying bye to you, let me introduce myself. This is Professor Enamul Hussain, the NSTIC Chair Professor in Sustainable Energy, Division of Online Education at NSTIC, Canada. I have about 2.5 decades of academic and industry experience at different organizations around the world, including State Oil Chair Professor position at Memorial University in St. John's, Canada. I am an academic leader who established different organizations to serve mankind in the area of education. I have about decades of industry experience and published over 200 scientific articles, dozens of books, and 11 US patents. I serve different academic and leadership positions at different institutions. I supervised over 100 graduate students who have been awarded master's and PhD degree, and few hundreds of undergraduate students and young professionals. I am a curriculum consultant and offer different training programs for the oil and gas industry, hoping to bring more exciting courses for you in future. Thank you so much for watching this introductory video and staying connected with NSTIC for more and more valuable and thrilling courses related to specific topics on our NSTIC education platform. Finally, I would cordially request our viewers, audiences, and well-wishers to follow and subscribe to our channel, which will help us in disseminating knowledge and novel profession. Stay safe. Bye.